Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll go over a problem in which we have to do synthetic division for these polynomials. So in this problem, we have to divide this expression here by this expression. So this expression that we divide is called the dividend. And the other expression with which we divide this dividend is called the divisor. So these are some important terms you have to understand and memorize. Now this dividend here is a quartic function because the highest power on the variable x is 4. Let's start with the synthetic division setup. So as you know, for synthetic division, this is the symbol we use to do the setup. So this is the division symbol for synthetic division. Now in synthetic division, we only use the coefficients of the terms in the dividend. So in the first term, the coefficient is 2. So that's our first number in the synthetic division setup. In the second term, the coefficient is 6. So that's the second number. Then -3, then -4, and the last number is 3. So this is the first step for the synthetic division setup. Now we also have to use the x value from the divisor, which we write outside at the front. So for that, we set the divisor equal to 0 and solve for x. So we add 1 to both sides. So the ones on the left side cancel each other out. So we are left with x equals 1. So we write this one right at the front. So this is the synthetic division setup. We start the synthetic division by bringing down the first coefficient. So we bring it down and write it under this line. And now we do 1 times 2, which is equal to 2, and we write that result under 6. Now we add the numbers in the column. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Now we do 1 times 8, which is 8, and we write the result under the -3. And now we add the numbers in this column. So -3 plus 8 is 5. And now we repeat the step. So 1 times 5 is 5. We write that under -4. And now we add the numbers in this column. We get 1. And we repeat the step. So 1 times 1 is 1. So we write it under 3. And now we add the numbers in this column. And we get 4. So this is the end of this synthetic division. Now we have to interpret the result that we got from this synthetic division. Now the last number in this synthetic division represents the remainder of this synthetic division. So there's a very important thing you have to understand and memorize. Now the previous numbers in this result, they represent the coefficients of the quotient. So how do we assign the variables to these numbers? For that we have to analyze the degree of the dividend and the divisor. The degree of the dividend is 4. So this degree is equal to 4. And the degree of the divisor is 1 because that's the highest power on the variable. And in the case of dividend, the highest power on x is 4. That's why the degree is 4. So the degree of the quotient will be 4 minus 1. So we subtract their degrees, which is equal to 3. So the degree of the quotient is 3. to write the quotient, we'll have to put x cubed with 2, then x squared with 8, x with 5, and 1 is the number term in the quotient. So the quotient for this synthetic division is 2x cubed plus 8x squared plus 5x plus 1. So there's a very important concept you have to understand and memorize. We can write the result of this synthetic division as a division statement. So we can write our dividend. So our dividend is 2x to the power 4 plus 6x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 3 over the divisor, which is x minus 1 equals, so we write the quotient, so which is 2x cubed plus 8x squared plus 5x plus 1, and then to that we add the remainder divided by the divisor, which is x minus 1. So this is the division statement for this synthetic division. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.